can see that these brake pads definitely needed to be replaced. The wear light was on in the car for the brakes. Now, if we look at the new ones, you can see there are just these little metal clips that hold it in place. So you're going to want to gently pry the brake pads out on both sides. They go out that way and out that way to come out. And then we're going to look to fit the new ones in, but we're also going to have to press back the piston here as well to give enough room. And we're going to replace the cable. So go ahead and get your brake pads out, then we're going to replace this cable next. All right, so now that the brake pads are out, let's look at them really quickly. So notice that the sensor pad goes to the inside. So this is on the inside of the wheel well. And the pads themselves will look a little bit different. The one that takes the sensor has this notch in the top and a little bit of an expanded hump here at the top, where the outside, as you can see, is more just open. So make sure that you put the right ones in the right places. But as you can tell, yeah, brake job is overdue. All right, so when you look at the sensor cable itself, obviously it's off on this end.